Welcome to Quality Inn Sarasota North Hotel. Enjoy the waterfront with the nearby Sarasota Bay or explore other local destinations. Staying with us opens the door to great amenities and easy access to the very best of what this area has to offer. In close proximity to the Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport. You can also see the local botanical gardens, performing arts center, aquarium, shopping mall, and dining facilities. Now, what most sets us apart from other hotels in the area, however, is our commitment to first-class service. You can have the time of your life in an affordable manner in one of the best cities and beaches in the country. Previous reviews show us to be a great place to stay for comfort, value, and convenience. Why not book one night or several with us now? www.qualityinnsarasotafl.com